Hello and welcome to Scrub Detailing. My name is RJ and I'm a professional detailer and ceramic coating specialist. Today in this video I just wanted to discuss what a ceramic coating is, show you the process in preparing a vehicle for a ceramic coating, and just to show you at the end of the video one of the benefits of a ceramic coating. So a ceramic coating is just an incredibly hard, durable layer that is applied to your paint, and it provides long-term durability that definitely outshines traditional waxes and sealants. One of the benefits of a ceramic coating is its extreme hydrophobic properties. That just means it repels water, unlike anything you've seen. And in doing so, this helps protect from your bird droppings, your tree sap, road tar, anything that would normally adhere to your clear coat comes off much easier when you have a ceramic coating applied. So when it comes to the preparation, you've seen here that it takes a lot of steps. You have to completely wash and decontaminate the paint. And also included in that is paint correction and enhancement. This just helps clear up some of those fine scratches and swirl marks that come from just washing our vehicles incorrectly. So what you want to do is completely clean the paint, prep the paint, get rid of the swirls and the light scratches, because you're going to be sealing it in with that ceramic coating. So the ceramic coating process is demonstrated here is just applied in a thin layer, and when it begins to harden, we buff it off to make it have a nice uniform appearance. So if you're like me, you want the peace of mind of knowing that you're driving around in your truck or your car and that it's protected. And there's nothing better on the market than getting a ceramic coating to accomplish that. So if you have any questions, if you want to speak to me personally, hit up the website at scrubdetailing.com. I have all my contact information there. You can contact me by phone, by email, text me. I would love to answer any and all questions you may have. So here we see the final result of getting the ceramic coating. You can see the extreme hydrophobic action. The water just beads up and runs off the paint like it's scared of it. And now you can see between two vehicles, one that's ceramic coating on the right here, the black truck, and then on the Volkswagen on the left, uncoated. The water just is clinging to it. But on the ceramic coated truck, it just flies right off. It's really a beautiful thing. So please, I'm here to help you anytime. Thank you and have a nice day.